Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Indranisha and today we are gonna see how to convert infix to prefix. In previous video we shared that how to convert infix to postfix. So these rules are actually for the postfix. Now we see how this is gonna define for the prefix conversion because it start infix to prefix by the stack. So how you can do the algorithm to make it in from infix to prefix using stack. First you have to reverse the string. Now if we reverse the string it looks like this way. Now we had to do the postfix rules, but here some changes happen. I'll tell you when we do this conversion one after another. Here we don't go for the structural conversion like which is required to write into your university examination, but if you understand then you also write it into a proper way. Start from the drawing the stack. The result is here. Please don't mind that my ink is gone, so I'll give you the understanding so that you don't need to focus on those ink is not there. Don't write it into a comment that please bought a ink for sure. Yeah, I do that. First you understand. First visit F, place it here. Now visit the operator. What operator is coming? In a empty stack we place it. There is no such requirement to do any understanding like any rule to maintain. Okay, let's go to the E. E is placed here as well. Now comes the again to the power operator. This is the right associative operator. Now to see in the postfix rules. In the postfix rule, what it says, this is a right associative operator, says pop when the this operator is less than the stack top. Is it? No, it is equal. But the time when we do the prefix conversion, in the prefix conversion in the intermediate step we do the postfix conversion. So here the change happened that if right associative operator is less than and equals to stack top, understand, this is a different from the postfix rules, so I change it right now which help you to remember. If this is less than or equals to, then you have to pop it, means take it to the result. Understood? Now stack hold only 1 to the power operator. Next, D. Place it here. Now multiplication. Multiplication talk with this operator. This is the array of I. It told, am I the less than or equals to stack top? Yeah, I am the less than to the stack top, because priority was multiplication operator is less than the to the power operator. But here one thing changed, that it is not less than equals to, it is less than. So in the previous left associative operator become popping when the less than equals to is happening, but in the right associativity it only less than happening. So here in the prefix conversion, intermediate step, postfix conversion, these things totally interchange. Interchange means here less than equals to comes and here equals to gone, means in this time this is a less than operator, so we do the popping from here and do here, and stack consists of multiplication operator. Okay, now go to the C, place it here. Now comes division operator. Here this rule happened. Is this less than equals to is this less than to the multiplication operator? No, Is this equals to the multiplication operator? Yeah, but here no popping happened. In the postfix conversion normal rule it happened, but here no popping, so there is no change. The stack will remain this. Now b is placed here. Now minus comes. Minus told, am I being the less prior than you? Yeah, so both of them, because here you see plus minus is the less prior, so popping everything from the stack, ping and multiply. Now stack consists of only negative operator. Now go to the last operand a and empty the stack, place it here. This is our result, but this result is not final. We need to reverse it again, because in the first time we reverse it. So see, the prefix comes this way. Yeah, this is the stack level understanding. You must know the rules and the priority associativity rules. Previously I am doing when my second year, I already completed my bachelor's degree, so that time I don't know about this right associative operator works. So whenever I start doing this mathematics, everything in this calculation, again stuck and not giving the equal result that computer gave me. So I am so much worried now, because Gemini, ChatGPT comes, they give me the real answer. Why do I stuck into middle? Why do I not get the actual result? Now this is the rule. I'll show you into the laptop as well. This is the rule. Always remember, normal postfix rule, you must be less than and equals to. Current is the array of I. When it calculate with it operate with the stack top, it must be less than equals to for the left associativity, and in the right associativity it only less than. In the prefix conversion I show that this less than equals to gone, only less than comes, and here less than only there, and less than equals to comes. That's why our result getting correct. If I shared that, okay, this is the algorithmic way to get the prefix conversion. What about in the GET level exam? That time I need, hello, yeah, am I audible? I think so. Yeah, this is visible right now. So now, okay, whatever procedure we do, now see how to convert this thing in a human way, in a GET level. There is no such stack operation, so that it likely take 10 minutes. How we do,